Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go to Target and I actually wanted to pick up Petal by Ariana Grande because I got some birthday money and I've been using it for gas, but the rest I wanted to buy something with. I wanted to get her album really bad, and I also just want to walk around Target. We might go to Ulta because I low-key need to restock my contour because my Fenty Beauty one is out. I also have to update you guys on so much stuff. Like, it was just my birthday. I just started beauty school, and my first week is officially done. I just have to do some homework stuff, I guess. So I guess it's not officially done, but I'm done going to the school for the week, basically, because I only go 3 days a week for 10 hours a day, which is a lot, but you know what? Gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. But later in the video, I'm gonna do a little unboxing of the vinyl if I get it, if it's still there, because I looked online and apparently it's like sold out at a lot of record stores and stuff. So hopefully Target still has her up. I'm actually really hoping they do. But I wanted to get some Dunkin' first, or some probably Dunkin'. I got Starbucks the other day, so we're probably gonna get some Dunkin' right now. But let's hit the road. Hey, it's me editing right now. So I just wanted to give you guys a little warning because I haven't shaved, and the whole video I'm just in this angle. Like, I look a mess, okay? Even right now I look a mess, but girl, you're about to see a mess, so I apologize. Like, I usually don't really care. Like, I usually just look a mess. But it's so bad that I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna have to say something because I don't want these bitches thinking like I normally look this bad. Like, okay, you guys, we just made it to Target and it's literally a Thursday and this hoe is packed. Like, girl, there is cars everywhere. So yeah, but we're going in right now. I really hope they have this vinyl. But if they don't, you know what? It's fine. I can order it online. But Ariana's website is literally, this bitch, like, she's crazy. Like, her shipping is like $15 to my house. And girl, everyone else's is like $9. So anyways, I'll let y'all know if it's there. Petal. Y'all, it's here. Let me grab one. They have the CDs too. I'm just happy this one's in stock. Oh my god, they have Gracie. Wait, no shade. I've been really wanting Daughter from Hell. Oh my god. Look, they have Eternal Sunshine too. Petal. I might get Gracie, I don't know. But, ooh, oh my god, they have a bunch of clearance mini vinyl, but mini vinyls are low-key a fucking scam, so there's no point in even getting them. Although I might look. What if they have like any? Oh, they have Doja Cat. They're $7 though. Like, that's not even like that worth it. Okay, you guys, so I got Petal, and instead of going to Sephora, I thought I'd just come here because it's cheaper. So I'm getting this like ColourPop liquid luminizer. It's like a dupe for the Rare Beauty one. So I was just like, I'll get that because that's what I needed to restock on. And my Fenty Beauty contour, but I think, oh no, I might just go get it because I really cannot find anything. And I also got this Morphe lip liner. It's on sale for like $5, but oh, I'll have to put it back. I don't need a lip liner. And the most bougie thing I got here is the Milani Make It Last, but I need a setting spray, and that's the only one I like that's decent price. So we got that. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna check out and then head to Starbucks. That's in the front because I don't want to go to Dunkin'. You guys, so as you can see, I'm home and I didn't update you guys because I was just driving. Yeah, so I kind of locked my brother outside. So I felt really bad and I went to McDonald's and because I was also like starving, so I got a large Diet Coke and I got a little chicken sandwich and I got him a little Happy Meal because I felt bad. But now that we're home, I'm gonna unbox Petal by Ariana Grande. I was gonna get Daughter from Hell, but it's kind of expensive, and I just didn't want to spend all that money. I might get it another time, but we got Petal. Okay, you guys, sorry if it's loud. I have my AC blasting right now because my fan blasting because it is hot as balls out. So I kind of wanted to show you some records I got for my birthday because if you guys know, well, this whole year so far I've been on a record ban. Like I haven't been buying them because I used to be kind of addicted. Still am. I love them so much, but I want to show you guys everything I got for my birthday because I went out with a bang for my birthday. Yeah, that's why when I got Petal, I wanted to show you guys the other records I got because oh my goodness, I've gotten a record I've been wanting for so long. I got Dangerous Woman, and it is the Urban Outfitters exclusive, which is so beautiful. This is what it looks like, and the other one is really cool too. It's a little different. Let me show you. Is it different? Oh yeah, it is on the back side. But it's so gorgeous. I've been wanting Dangerous Woman for so long now. So let's unbox Petal. Petal in the pavement. Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna get my record sleeve ready because I love to sleeve all my records. And I also really love to put the hype sticker on them. Oh, I had her upside down. By Sweetener 2.0. Okay, I'm gonna get this Target hype sticker off. Please come off with grace. Actually, I don't think I could put the Target hype sticker on it, but I kind of just want to put the Petal hype sticker on it. I feel like that'd look cleaner, right? Because this is the alternate cover, so we all know this is from Target only anyway, so I don't think I need the Target sticker. Because this is the Target variant. Usually I like to put the Target sticker on albums that, like, have the same cover as, like, the normal album, and I want, you know, the sticker on it to know it's a different color or something. We have the Petal hype sticker on it. Now let's unbox it. So this is an exclusive cover art with opaque gray skies vinyl. So let's see what this opaque vinyl looks like. I love opaque records. I've noticed with Ariana that she does lots of like translucent, really cool records. So I feel like having an opaque record for her is pretty cool. Although that Dangerous Woman one is also opaque. But everything else, like literally my Positions one, my Thank You Next one, and my Sweetener one, and my Eternal Sunshine one, they're all like translucent a little bit. So I feel like having an opaque record is gonna be so cool for her. You guys, look at this gatefold. Isn't that so gorgeous? This is the back, and the side says Petal Ariana Grande. Oh, hopefully you guys can see. Whatever, it won't focus, but I don't care. I want to see this cover. Oh, ooh, lyric booklet. I love when she does these. The Eternal Sunshine one's cool as fuck. So basically in the lyric booklet, you get all of this stuff if you've never had a vinyl before, or you're planning on getting one. Lots of Ariana specifically. I know lots of all of Taylor Swift's, well, not all of them, but lots of them also have these. And it's literally just all of the lyrics to the songs. We have Petal in the pavement. Honestly, guys, I think this could have been a cute cover as well. Like, I really love it. Okay, this is the record sleeve it's in. That is so cute. It's a little flower. And inside, oh, This is such a pretty gray. You guys, this matches the album so well. It's a very beautiful smoky gray. Oh my god, I need to sleeve it now. Sleeve, where is it? I also have these sleeves for the records because the original sleeves they come in, those little paper ones, are really shitty for the record, and you have a chance of it scratching on accident. It's just not good, so I just put this on it and then I plop it in there. So, if she'll go in, please. Like that. It's always the first thing I do when I buy new music. It's been a hot minute since I've bought in new music for myself, but with the birthday ones I've been getting, that was always the first thing I do. I love plopping the record in a healthy sleeve so it just doesn't get damaged, because I'm very anal, because music is just expensive as fuck. Like, I just want it to last a long time and be safe, but there she is all sleeved up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go play this, and I'm gonna do my laundry because look at that right there. That's from school and not being able to do my laundry, so we're gonna get that done because, oh girl, she needs to be done. Oh, sorry, it's a lot later, but I'm just ready for bed. I just had some dinner and hung out with my family all night, to be honest, so that was refreshing, especially for my first day off in a while. Well, in a hot seconds. But thank you guys for watching my little Target vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be up really soon because I want to get it out. I want to show you all my kit and stuff. Oh my god. What is that? Oh, I have blue Takis. That's probably... This is embarrassing.